found it. This strategy, it's insane. 80% win rate. I backtested it. I saw it everywhere. This is it. This is the one. Watch this. What I'm watching. Wait, what? No. This setup is supposed to work. Account drops fast. Why is it falling? Because the market doesn't care about your strategy. And that's not why you're losing. You're losing because of how you use it.
Most traders believe if they just find the perfect strategy, they'll finally start making serious money. But here's the shocking truth. Even with the right strategy, most traders still lose, and a lot of them blow up their accounts completely. Not because the strategy is broken, but because they're broken inside. Today, we're exposing the real reason traders fail through the $1 million story of two traders, Mr. Wick and Mr. John.
I knew this would work. That's why I went big. You didn't trust the strategy. You trusted your ego.
Overconfidence is silent. It doesn't feel dangerous, but it makes traders risk more than they should, think less than they need, ignore the very rules that protect them, and one mistake instantly becomes a big, painful loss.
How much did you risk? Like 20%. That's not trading, that's self-destruction.
A good strategy with bad risk still loses. Professional traders risk 0.5% to 1% per trade because they know survival comes first.
I don't feel confident this time. What? That was my setup! You don't follow your system. You follow your feelings. I just need one win. One win to recover everything. Every trade you take now is worse than the last.
Overtrading is emotional, not logical. It turns small losses into account destruction. Your brain is wired against you. When you lose, you feel pain. You want revenge. When you win, you feel confident. You take more risk. This creates a loop. Loss, emotion, bad decision, bigger loss. Millionaire traders break this loop with discipline.
I'll just take profit.
No!
You cut your winners and let your losers run. This one will go higher, just a bit more accor. Greed always comes grande, right before the fall. I'll win it back now. No, this can't be happening! This is insane, it's crashing! You're not trading anymore. You're reacting. This is boring. I need action. Bored traders lose money.
Let's break it down. Even with a 60% win rate and a good strategy, if you risk too much, cut winners early, let losses run, you still lose. Because trading is not about accuracy, it's about risk structure.
Maybe I need a new system? No, you need to master one. You spend more time not trading, that's why I win.
professionals plan more, trade less, review everything.
So the strategy wasn't the problem. It was you. And the fix? Discipline, consistency, control.
So remember, most traders don't lose because of bad strategies. They lose because they lack discipline, trade emotionally, and ignore risk. The truth is, a simple strategy executed with discipline beats everything else. Because in trading, the market doesn't reward knowledge, it rewards execution. Trade smart, protect your capital, and remember, it's not about finding the perfect strategy. It's about becoming the trader who can execute it perfectly. Sandy signing off. If you enjoyed this breakdown, hit subscribe for more hidden trading edges.